No, you're not dreaming. Yes, short ribs, beef, beautiful, delicious. And I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. And you will go for a ride like you never see before. Yes, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to have this beautiful beef ribs. We're going to come right in between. So take your time, do it right. I recommend for you to previously wash them. Let them dry, pat them with a paper towel. Go ahead and grab your ribs and just cut them. Line them up ready. And this is fun. Enjoy it. Take your time. It's not a competition. We're almost there. Okay, next thing we're going to do, turmeric and white pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and cumin. A fresh juice, one lime. Pour that in there. Don't be afraid. Honey, beautiful honey. Just put some of that in there. It's gonna give them so much flavor. And then, beautiful, nice soy sauce. Just throw some of that in there. Don't be afraid. What do you want to do now? Mix this and let it sit in there at least for 20 minutes. Yes, green beans, red peppers, 2 mushrooms, yellow and orange pepper, salt, pepper, and we're gonna saute these beautiful vegetables. Let's do this. Our pan is hot, a little bit olive oil. Our pan is medium high. You want to sear this meat very good. Let's go ahead and put our meat. And look, it's ready to go. Now, what you're looking for is a beautiful, nice crust in this meat. And we gotta brown this meat slowly. But our fire, like I said, is medium high. You want that intensity in there because this is what's going to give them a lot of flavor. And later, we got to go ahead and lower this fire. But as you see, the aromas is coming through and it's super, super nice. And I can tell you, if you follow this recipe, you will have the best beef ribs. They're delicious, tender, and very nice. Take your time. So let's go ahead and put this meat. Now we're gonna let these guys, they're cooking here. And cooking time in this is probably gonna be around 8 to 10 minutes, okay? We're gonna lower this fire. But right now, let's go ahead and get them nice, beautiful and toasting there. We're gonna flip them back and forth so everyone can get a little bit of that heat from the bottom of that beautiful pan. And trust me, this is one that you're really, really gonna enjoy. Well, we're 5 minutes into this. Let's see how we're doing. As you see, look at that beautiful color in those ribs, okay? Look at that. And they're getting right there, look at that. So, a couple more minutes, 3 more minutes, we gotta go ahead and remove this out of the pan. But take a quick look what's happening. Now keep in mind, this is beef, okay? You can eat this medium, well, whatever term you want is, and that's the juice we're gonna be using. So we're gonna pour that in there. Now the last 3 minutes, you want the meat to really cook into that marinade sauce that we prepare early. See? Give it a time, and you will have excellent ribs in no time. So let's do it. We're gonna use the same pan, a little bit more oil. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna prepare our vegetables. So we're still in medium high. We want the vegetables to get a little crunchy and get a sear from the outside, beautiful. So vegetables in, and we're gonna go ahead and saute this, guys. Just take your time. Move it around, and now what I like to do is we're gonna go ahead and add a little pepper. And then the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go add a pinch of salt. Now, saute them. You have excellent vegetables.
At this time, we ask that you turn off your portable electronic devices or turn them to airplane mode.
And there you have it, guys. The most insane beef ribs that you can have. What I like to do is serve this with white rice. Take a look. And there's your beautiful, beautiful vegetables. I told you you were going for a wild ride. Well, there it is. I do hope you enjoy it. This is incredible.
Hey, I do hope you like this video. And if you do, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please leave me a comment down below. That's the way I do beef ribs. I love them. Like I said, if you follow this recipe step by step, you will have one of the best ribs, beef ribs, ever. And like I always say, my friends, you deserve a good meal. Until then, I'll see you in the next one, and be safe. Before I go, someone very dear, close to my heart and my family, I want to say, I'm glad you're doing better. You're on your way back home. And welcome back. We're very happy for you. And like you used to say, bon appetit. I'll see you in the next one.